Hi, I'm James from Binks Balustrades and we're over at Gomersal Park Hotel helping them with the renovation works. We've recently fitted all the new glass doors and screens between the restaurant and the foyer area. We've done the stainless steel balustrade on the stairs and we've also done some various bits and pieces of handrail as well for them.
Working with James has been fun. Very professional, but adds a fun touch to it, which for us as a business is fantastic. Guests walking in, he said good morning to them and they've all commented, so brilliant. We've had sort of glass doors, a glass balustrade put on, sort of the reception area, just modernising. James came in, had a look at it for me, sort of recommended it, and it's fantastic. Thanks to James and the team for making it fun for us and adding an extra smile in these times. 100% I would recommend James.
If there's anything you've seen on the video that you'd like to get in touch with us about, please get in touch with us on the email on contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk or give us a link on the website and we'll get back to you within 24 hours.